someone's asking us about A2M. What do you guys think? I know we got a couple of A2M, I'll say experts here. So what do you guys think?
Yeah, I can go first if you like. I'm assuming you're saying Frank's the other person.
You can
in the
fall
group,
on that
so-
knife, Tom. That one's
Yeah.
tough.
Yeah, so this is the A2 Milk Company, like absolute market darling of New Zealand for the last decade, and up like, I don't know, 6,000% or something in the last 10 years. And it's down like 65% from the peak, maybe. These are ballpark numbers. So yeah, there's a lot of concerns about A2 having slower growth. They've got a few issues in what they refer to as their Daigou channel, which is basically like a reseller market. A lot of it's in Australia, so they have basically people go into stores in Australia and then resell that product to China, and they're sort of running these little businesses, kind of running that model. It's a hard one. Like Frank said, I think there's a lot of new competition coming in, so they're probably likely to lose some of the premium pricing that they have. But at the same time, the stock's down so much that it implies a much lower growth rate than what they've achieved in the past. They've been growing at, I don't know the exact numbers off the top of my head, but probably mid 20% per year compounded for a very, very long time. And I think by my maths, the price implies roughly like a 10% growth rate moving forward. So it's not a no-brainer, but I don't quite know which way I lean on this one.
It's compelling, but not incredible.
It's a 14 bagger over the last 6 years. It looks like.
Is that
Even
from
after
the
the
peak?
drawdown?
Sorry.
Is that after the drawdown?
Yes, that's including the drawdown.
Yeah.
What about the management? I mean, is it the same person who's been running it?
That's
No,
well,
the
Frank can take
management's
that one.
another
That's the
problem.
other concern. Yeah.
There's been some concerns around the management team. I don't follow it too closely. I've valued it, and it definitely seems cheap. The quality was great. It's just kind of determined if the quality's still there. But a lot of the management team left. There's a new management team that's in over the past maybe 6 months or so, maybe a bit longer, Tom. I'm not sure.
1 month.
Yeah, there you go. Even newer than I thought. But the old management, they did great for the business, but then there was they sold out of their shares. There was a big sell-off from their insiders. They kind of had inside information, I guess you could say. They got out, looked bad on them, share price fell, kept falling.
Yeah, I mean, the short answer to this question is like, if the business returns to anywhere near close to the growth rates they achieved in the past, it'll be a home run. And if it doesn't, it'll flop, and I don't quite know what's going to happen. It's a really hard one to analyze the business here. So I actually have a very small position in A2 Milk. It's sort of like, I don't really ever make speculative investments, but this is probably the one example of that I've got in my portfolio. So yeah, I'll be following it closely, see how this one plays out.
You got to keep the gambling bug satisfied at least a little bit, right?